Hi, good morning everyone. So today I'm talking again about lifestyle section, or the you can call it about exercise related. Okay, so I am one kind of health freak person. Since this lockdown, I'm trying different type of exercises. Like I'm doing yoga also. Uh, Running means I'm doing it on the roads which are totally deserted, like some hilly area and all those. I travel by car. I stop my car over there, fully isolated road, and I run. Okay, but obviously with my partner, because it is always better that you should accompany someone. So nowadays we are using step up board also for the in-house exercises, as well as I got some 3-5 kg dumbbell sets also. So I'm using those, but still I started thinking about, as gym we do the lot of resistance training. It is slightly less comparatively, though we are doing weight training and all. So I thought about buying few products. So today I'm just going to unlock it. I don't know how they are going to work, but let's see. So how I've clubbed it from this, I got the from Amazon Basics. I got this almost 30 to 60 lps resistance band. Okay, so I'll just tell you the specification. I'm so sorry. How I'm going to do it, actually I don't know. I'm just unpacking it. This is the from Amazon Basics. I got a black resistance band. Okay, so the specification about this band is some width and everything related. Only 3 points are important, I think. This is like for resistance of 13 to 27 kg, which is, I think, for me it's sufficient. And width is 1.9 centimeters, so it is good. And another important thing, it can stretch up to twice, means the original length whatever it is, we can stretch it up to twice. Okay, so there are multiple exercises they have shown. For assisted pull-ups also it is useful. Then the different type of shoulder workout, as well as lower back workout, even the push-ups with resistance, leg raises, and multiple things. So soon I'll be doing all these exercises, uploading few videos. Now how I'm going to settle with all this resistance band, how I'm actually going to plan everything. So what I bought along with that is D rings. Okay, so there are multiple type of D rings. So this is the one which I bought. I don't know, since I have not used it. Today only I'm unpacking it. So let's see whether I can attach it and whether these products are really good. I will give a detailed review about it. For now I have bought it from Zobes. So this is Zobes D ring. Okay, which at least packing wise it so we were talking about this D rings from Zobes. I bought it, and the average cost, I think it is somewhere around 600 and something like that. I will give all the links of all these products in detail, so that if you want to do set up your own setup, you can definitely give it a try. Along with that, we need these things also. These are the tiny things which I bought from, I think, what is it, these are the clips which are used Viva Fitness. Okay, these are the snap hooks just to attach this part. Okay, so it is something like in this form. Okay, so that we can attach all the things, clip here. Okay, and then this will hold our resistance band as well. So let's see, when I will set up this whole setup, that time also I'll make a small video, and definitely I'll let you know how to do that. Okay, so this is all about resistance band. And two things, because I don't do heavy weight training, I got Amazon Basics black band, exactly how much strength and everything, and the links I'll give you. And this is from Fitzy. This is roughly around 1000, and the FitC, it is only from the warm-up stretching exercises, it is around 499. Bye bye. So I'll set up the everything, and that time I'll make another video. Okay, take care.